Hello people, why do you need a mentor in your life? Mentor always gives you those positivity in your life. Mentor gives you the shape of your life. What do you need? What is your dreams right now? Dreams means those unshaped future goals of yours. And if you have those dreams and if you have no power to figure out how to do it, how to uh, get those goals done, or how to take the actions, how to use your time, then you need a mentor, a proven mentor. If you have not get it, then just take the actions to get the mentor. And why you need it? The main thing is mentor always motivate you. And if you are thinking that motivation is the only thing, then you are wrong. Proven mentor can gives you the strategies. Those strategies also take you to the success, because you can be able to figure out your dreams into your goals. When you convert this your dreams into your goals, then you can be able to figure out all those success for yourself. And also a mentor gives you how to deal your difficulties, what you have already made in your life. You have to get rid of those difficulties, and how to get it, he will tell you or she will tell you how to overcome these situations. And also he will tell you or she will tell you how to get your goals, how to set your goals first, then how to get your goals in your life. And if you are not able to set your goals, you cannot be able to get the success. People, you can understand it because you have already taken lots of initiative to get to the success, but you failed. Every time you failed. Why? Because those words and those things, those paths, you have not already, maybe you know, but you have not following it. You always avoided it. That's why you are not able to get the success. And you always think that it is very easy to get the success. It is easy if you are working hard. And if you are not, then how to get to the success? Mentor will tell you. So mentoring is needed. Why I am telling this? Because that the people also, if you want to reduce your success time, that means if you get a proven mentor, then what happens to you? It will reduce your time to get to the success, because he or she was a proven one, and proven mentor always helps you to get to the success. There is lots of mentors, but you have to figure out which one is necessary, or who is giving you those strategies for your success. It is fully your call, because taking actions is very much necessary to get the success. Before joining the communication mastery, I never got a mentor, but after entering it, because my wish was that I should speak English very confidently and not fluently. That time I thought that fluent speaking in English is very much necessary, and if you are not fluent, then you are not a very good speaker. But right now I know that ROS, that is rate of speech. If your rate of speech is good, if you are taking pauses between your uh, speaking, and if you are giving those clarity in your speaking, then it will also loved by people. This type of mentality I have never ever uh, figured it out. But after getting mentor like Rahul Bhatnagar, he is a proven one, and he always gave strategies, sometimes motivation. Why? Because motivation lasts for only 40 to 45 seconds, or maybe 1 to 2 minutes. But if you got the strategies to get to the success, how to get there, how to how to get those paths in your life, then it will help you. Because what happens, I never ever thought about how to do the time management, how to invest, how to spend, how to all these things. Actually, money, spending, investment, relationship, and the skills. It is needed. Knowledge is also needed. But if you are not able to figure out those things, then always take a mentor. Mentoring gives you wings, and you can able to get the confidence, and you always thinks that there is somebody who is giving you or pushing you to get to the success. That is the mentor who can understand it. And if you are not able to get that, and if you think that mentor is like a teacher, then you are wrong, man. Because teachers are good, they are teaching you about all these things, but they are not teaching you everything, how to get the success practically. This is the difference between a teacher and a mentor, because mentor is a coach who is a proven one and have the practical knowledge. He failed several times. After failing, he got the success. That means he knows or she knows how to get to the success by overcoming all your failures. That is called mentor or a coach. He or she has a practical knowledge. So people, always get a mentor in your life. Mentoring always gives you wings to get to the success. So thank you. Like me, comment me, do take very good care of yourself. Thank you for watching.